Good afternoon, Adam with Atlantic Marine Service. Today we're going to be talking about Yamaha's Y-Cop system, also known as your ignition key. This consists of a couple computers behind the dash, this Yamaha fob that has a lock and unlock button, and I'm going to show you how it works. So say you come to the boat and the system's already locked. To unlock it, you're going to turn your battery switch to the on position, and you're going to tap but not hold the key fob. You will hear 2 beeps, which means your system is ready to start. You hit ignition power and then start. So say you come back to the dock, the way to lock the system, you'll turn your engine off, ignition power off, but before you turn the battery switch off, you're going to tap lock. And when you tap lock, you'll see a red light illuminate on the binnacle, which means the system is active, and you can go ahead and turn the key off. Now, if you accidentally leave these keys on the boat with the system locked, the boat will start, but it will not go over 2,500 RPMs. So if you ever get in a situation where you get down to your boat, forget to unlock it, and you drive out in the waterway and it won't go over 2,500, that's probably what's happened. In that case, shut the engine down, hit the unlock button, and then restart it, and you should be good to go. And just a friendly reminder, if your boat needs Yamaha service, please leave your key fob on the boat or unlock the ignition. If you unlock the ignition and then take the key fob off the boat with the ignition remaining unlocked, we can operate the boat without any issues.